Today we're talking all about gelatinous cubes in D&D. They're sort of like this jello, but they have this primal instinct to consume. But before we get into gelatinous cubes, make sure you like and follow. The gelatinous cube is a seemingly simple yet deadly creature that has fascinated players since its introduction in the early editions of Dungeons and Dragons. The gelatinous cube is a product of the original 1974 edition of D&D created by Gary Gygax. This creature is a large, transparent, and nearly invisible cube of ooze, typically measuring 10 feet on each side, filling entire corridors in a dungeon setting. The cube's transparency and tendency to occupy entire hallways make it a perfect trap for unwary adventurers. As it slowly moves through dungeon corridors, it engulfs and dissolves organic materials, including creatures, leaving behind a path cleared of debris and bones. The gelatinous cube is a solitary creature with no need for social interaction. They are not intelligent in a conventional sense, but possess a primal instinct to consume, which they absorb and digest with powerful acidic enzymes. The cube's digestive process is fascinating, capable of breaking down bones and flesh. However, non-organic matter, such as stones and metal weapons, are often left unscathed and can be found suspended inside the cube, creating a deadly lure for treasure seekers. Due to its simplicity, the gelatinous cube is also an excellent challenge for novice players, teaching them the importance of observation and caution in dungeon environments. It tests players' resourcefulness and the ability to use their surroundings to their advantage. So I hope you enjoyed this video on gelatinous cubes in D&D. For more on D&D, 3D printing, and other DIY and maker projects, make sure you like and follow Maker Build It, and remember, keep on making.